Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create system restore points in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin creating a system restore point in Windows 11, first open your Windows search bar, type the word recovery, and then select the recovery option that appears. Within the recovery window, you will find an option labeled Open System Restore. Click on this to proceed. You will then be presented with an option to choose a different restore point. Select this option and click Next. Now you need to choose a restore point that you know was functioning correctly. After selecting the appropriate restore point, click Next. Finally, you will see a Finish button. Click on Finish, and then you will be prompted with a confirmation. Click Yes to initiate the system restore point creation. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.